Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's USDC video update. And this Terra stablecoin is looking pretty amazing. When I wanted to enter this thing, it didn't give me any entry, and that's pretty bad, because what I was looking at is the 1 hour time frame right here, and I just saw 1 hour time frame being so beautiful with this pennant right there. So it just broke out and just moved up. I'm looking for an entry. It didn't give me any entries. All it did is came here, made a pennant, break out of the pennant. So the technical target of the pennant is going to be up to 0.04042. Now there are chances you can still come down and retest the pennant and then move up, but if things get so bullish, it's just going to go up without any retest, and that's how bullish it is. But today the talk is rather very different and quite important as well, because I did have a message back. Someone did message me about this one right here. So it says, hey, I am your subscriber of your channel on YouTube, be interested to get you to take on the following chart fractal. So this is the chart fractal that he sent, and based on this chart fractal right now, what he says is that there's a repetition of history. And if I do scroll down a little bit, it does have the description, check the similarities between these two fractals. I have highlighted them with light green trend lines. Also notice the present diminishing volume profile. Additionally, the overall market being bearish was nearly identical to the last pump as well. History may not repeat itself, but could it be rhyming? I think we are soon to find out. Manage your risk. So at the moment, he says that what happened back here from June to nearly July, that very small fractal played out huge, and you can see that very small thing is this bigger is just a repetition of this smaller thing, and we might be looking for Luna Classic to absolutely take over. And I quite agree with this one. It's very, very true to me personally. I think it does make sense, and that's a pretty good observation out there, so kudos to this person. At the moment, this is how it looks like. So you do have that fractal right here, and you push to the upside, very, very same fractal but a longer one, and it's time to push to the upside as well. So at the moment, I do see a lot of volume kicking in for USDC on a smaller time frames as well. Very, very good volume, really, really healthy volume. Just look on the 4 hour time frame, look at that volume. That's just amazing. Okay, this is really, really amazing. That's really something. This is known as smart money concept. The smart money has tapped in, and they're taking in USDC. Now I'm a long-term holder for USDC until it does go to $1. So my investments personally were down here. Actually, I did buy very low, and I did had this huge 10x here, but I didn't cash out, and I'm still holding it right now because I'm still looking to cash it out on $1, right? So but anyway, when it comes down to trading, the smaller time frames, I do think that it could be an amazing entry opportunity. So don't miss this if you do see it coming down. And backtesting 0.03178 bounces off this level, and then we're good to go there. And that's like a 20% move for an intraday trading, which is pretty sweet. And this is very, very possible considering with how much you're having a lot of volume. And I do think if it does come down there, 0.02964 is going to be an amazing stop loss for trading as well. And that's pretty much it for the update on USDC. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.